This is lion. Lion मतलब शेर. This is an elephant. Elephant मतलब हाथी. This is tiger. Tiger मतलब बाघ. This is giraffe. ये है जिराफ. This is deer. ये है हिरन.